So this is a question about polymers, and you need to identify the type of polymer and you need to identify the monomers, and you are provided by a partial structure of the polymer. Now you can identify this thing, that what is the type of polymerization. Type of polymerization is condensation polymerization. Why we called it condensation polymerization? Because we can immediately identify it is condensation because of the specific functional groups. So you can see it has ester linkage in this partial chain structure. You have ester linkage, and ester linkage is formed from two functional groups. One is carboxylic acid and other one is alcohol. So if a monomer or if a compound containing different functional group and they join together, they make condensation polymer. Now draw the structure of the monomer. This one is interesting. Now how can we identify structure of monomer? For this we need to identify linkage. So here we have this linkage that is called ester linkage. Here we have this linkage that is called ester linkage. Now the point of joining in ester linkage is the carbon and oxygen. So we just need to cut that place of point of joining. So what is the point of joining? The point of joining is carbon and oxygen. Point of joining is carbon and oxygen. Point of joining is carbon and oxygen. So this structure which is between these two is the one monomer. Let me pick the first monomer here. So you can see this is, write this part. This is like O part, and then come to the second part, second monomer. You can see this one is a second linkage, right? Second part, monomer part. So draw this as it is, C double bond O, C double bond. Now you just need to add one other thing on your own. While writing monomer, you just receive the part of monomer from the structure by dividing the linkages and circling the part in between the linkages. Okay, now this part, remember from which part H is removed and from which part OH is removed. And alcohol part gives hydrogen, so this one is alcohol part, and acid part give us OH part, so just put OH part here. So you identify this one is the first monomer, this one is the second monomer, or you just identify two monomers. This one is di-alcohol and this one is di-carboxylic acid. So you just identify the monomer unit here. I hope you understand this part.